everyone, today we're going to draw a watermelon, a cute watermelon.
A cute watermelon. You were so fast. Hey everyone, today we're going to draw a watermelon. High five. Right, we're going to be drawing a really cute watermelon. Hope you enjoy and follow along. Parents too.
I already got.
We all ready? You ready?
It's falling off.
It's falling off. Wait, let's put your pick. Good catch. Okay, let's draw a watermelon.
Wait.
You got it?
It's a webbing.
Okay, we're going to start with our watermelon's eyes. In the middle of the page, we're going to draw a
Cute one.
big eye over there. That's right, just there. Draw a nice big circle. Good circle. And like always, we're going to draw a nice circle inside. Oh, you went to the other eye already. Good job, you did good. And we're going to draw circles inside.
I'm going to draw another circle.
Yeah, we can draw another circle. Makes them super shiny. It's the highlights. No, we're going to color in our circles black.
Why?
You ready?
Why?
Do you want to give your eyes a different color?
Yeah.
You can do that. Yeah, draw a circle inside.
Something more shinier.
That's right, yeah. Then you can give your eye a color.
You don't need yours.
Yeah, I'm going to just do mine the normal way. But you can do your eyes however you like. Awesome eyes.
Looks like it's crying.
It does not look like it's crying. Okay, we're going to draw a nice big smile inside in between the two eyes. And that's like that. Or if you want, you can draw a funny face. Maybe I'm going to put my watermelon's tongue up. That's a really big smile.
And I'm going to put my long tongue.
I'm going to do a tongue as well.
I got.
Good job. All right. Now we're going to draw the sides of a watermelon. We're going to be drawing a watermelon wedge. A nice slice of watermelon. Okay, so we're going to draw...
That's my watermelon. I'm going to eat.
You like watermelon. So we're going to draw like a triangle. Okay, a triangle around a watermelon. But we're not going to join it at the top. We're going to round it at the top a little bit. So we're going to go up like that. Can you draw that line? So from about here to about maybe there. Draw a straight line. Good job. Nice straight line. And then from here to there, oops, from here, you draw another straight line going down. Oh, that one's not as straight, but it's really good though. You can join it at the top with a little round bit. Good job. And then we're gonna.
It's like a banana.
We're gonna join them. It's a little bit. We're gonna join them at the bottom with the curve. Okay.
Mine says chef.
I'm gonna make mine a little bit longer actually.
Mine?
Because we're gonna draw the skin of the watermelon too. Okay. So you ready to draw your curve? Let's go.
So.
Like that. So curve down. Good job. And then we're gonna draw another curve.
So we can hold the green part, isn't it?
That's the green part, the one you... Yeah. And then we're going to draw one more little one. That's the kind of whitish part between the nice tasty watermelon and the skin. So you can try to follow the line as close as you can.
Sometimes I connect it because I'm too close.
That's okay, but you did really well there. Now we're going to draw little watermelon seeds. You ready? And what are they shaped like? Kind of like a little teardrop, aren't they? Kind of shaped like a teardrop. You can...
They're kind of red inside.
I thought they were black. You can draw as many as you like. I've drawn 5. Draw a few more.
I'm going to put one
One in the tongue. Okay. You can draw how you like to draw. Do you want to draw a few more there?
No.
No, you got just three on the sides. We haven't forgot the colors. We're going to color now.
I have 4. You have 5.
Yeah, we're going to fast forward our coloring.
You?
I will start with green, I think.
Oh.
Okay. We're going to fast forward our coloring.
Is it hair?
But if you need to catch up, you can always pause.
Is it hair?
Great job, Summer. Our watermelons are done and they're so cute. And it doesn't matter that they don't look exactly the same. Did you have fun?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I like so.
High five, well done. Oh, you want to do elbow fives? Yeah.
And then high five.
And then high five. Cool. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
See you
ready to say
later,
bye?
bye.
See you later. Bye.
Bye bye.